Friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine. Now in this video we are going to see the what changes occur in Steeler XLM in the last 1 hour. What is the price change in the Steeler XLM in the last 1 hour. So before starting this video, kindly subscribe my channel for more latest news and updates about cryptocurrency market. Now let's see what changes occur in Steeler XLM in the last 1 hour. As you can see now on the screen. Oh my god, first of all let's see the chart analysis of Steeler XLM. What changes occur in the Steeler XLM. As you can see here at the start of this hour, Steeler XLM start jumping upward like a rocket, but after some passage of time they are falls down very badly. As you can see here, it's a very bad news for all Steeler XLM holders. I'm sorry to say that, but it's a reality of this time of Steeler XLM. As you can see here, that is the live last 1 hour result of Steeler XLM and cryptocurrency market. As you can see here, the change in the Steeler XLM in the last 1 hour is positive 0.8% occur in the last 1 hour, and the high price of Steeler XLM in the last 1 hour is $0.38552 is the high price of Steeler XLM in the last 1 hour. Now the current price of Steeler XLM is $0.3866125 is the current price of Steeler XLM in the last 1 hour, which is very less than the high price of Steeler XLM in the last 1 hour. So it is clear the Steeler XLM falls down in the last 1 hour. That is the live changes occur in the price of Steeler XLM in the last 1 hour. You are watching now on ABS Tech channel. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency markets.